Dr. Rafael S. Tumbocon Memorial Hospital, Aklan. Dia Joy Icabandi, MD. Police Corporal Era May Raco Bautista. Police Corporal Sol Laila Carillo. Bicol Regional Hospital and Medical Center, Albay. Rose Ann U. Maravillas, MD. Juviren Murillo, RSW. Democrito O. Plaza Memorial Hospital, Agusan del Sur. Patrolwoman Irish Gia Angchanco. Mariveles Mental Wellness and General Hospital, Bataan. Shiara Sindano, RSW. Katrina Cernadilla, RSW. Batangas Medical Center, Carla Esguerra, RSW. Morena Castor, RSW. Camiguin General Hospital, Maria Carmela Macarayan, MD. Pauline Shaya Kutab, MD. Sandy Joy Valenzona, RSW. Sarah Ferguson Dagondon, RN. Faith Condal, RPM. Northern Mindanao Medical Center, Cagayan de Oro City. Jeneline Aras, RSW. Camille Joy Magnanao, RPM. Christopher Amata, RPSY. Leilani Encargues, RN. April Rose Baltazar, MW. PSSG Bridget Joy Briones. Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center, Cebu. Danica Lim, MD. Janelle Joy Lopez, RSW. Amelita Cuadero, RSW. Krishna Claire Lopez, RSW. Davao del Sur Provincial Hospital, Charlene Mayuela, RSW. Costa Rica Alagon, RPM. Dr. Polino J. Garcia Memorial Research and Medical Center, Nueva Ecija. Leona Fajardo, RSW. Janzel Cabigon, RSW. Rica Salas, RSW. Lian Caril Abenoja, RSW. Rita May De Leon, RSW. Sarah Nicole Cruz, RSW. Danica Gabuti, RSW. Cotabato Regional Medical Center, Maguindanao. Gwen Josette Macapegues, RN. Dr. Jose N. Rodriguez Memorial Hospital and Sanitarium, Caloocan City. Desiree Bugayo, RN. Philippine General Hospital, Manila. Princess Jean Gayranod, MD. Leslie Faye Ling, MD. Daryl Lanzuela, MD. Norhana Sakar, RSW. Rizal Medical Center, Pasig City. Maybelline Bacay Meneses, MD. Julie Ann Abordo, RSW. The Medical City, Pasig City. Ira Pauline Carrion, RSW. Valenzuela City Child Protection Center. Romeliza Ann de la Cruz, MD. Maria Ruth Giron, RN. Police Major Jocelyn Ebora. Mayor Hilarion A. Ramiro Medical Center, Misamis Occidental. Patrice Marie de la Serna, MD. Lucel de Lusa, RSW. Karen Yeke, RSW. Coron District Hospital, Palawan. Arlene Pinca, RN. El Nido Community Hospital, Palawan. Jochi Babe Prak, RSW. South Cotabato Provincial Hospital. Ismaila Marama, RSW. Western Visayas Medical Center, Iloilo. Eileen Canto, MD. Cynthia Tapan, MD. Kathleen Villanueva, MD. Margie Chan, MD. Maria Shante Segomalian, MD. Ferry Grace Lorelia, MD. Rosel Babak, RSW. Chris Lalata, RN. Dr. Jose Rizal Memorial Hospital, Zamboanga del Norte. Sharon Rose Hidalgo Palanas, MD. Bulacan Medical Center. Sheila Palacio Ponlawon, MD. Maria Cristina Fajardo, RSW. Balindong District Hospital, Lanao del Sur. Siti Janessa Dalibig, MD. Rainida Abdul Nasser, RSW. Haifa Datu Dakula, RN. Norhasni Makabuwan, RN. Jasmine Makarampan, RN. Governor Benjamin P. Romualdez General Hospital and Schistosomiasis Center, Leyte. Jenny V. Granados, MD. Angelina Garcia, MD. Gia Timonera, RSW. Jill Marlu Sicoy, RN. Christina Marie Alessandra Solidan, RPM. Tondo Medical Center, Manila. Gijet Maniago, MD. Leila Jane Farah Narag, MD. John Rowe Balvin, RSW. Jovelyn Montesines, RSW. Armed Forces of the Philippines Medical Center, Victoria Luna Medical Center, Quezon City. Jessie Mar Guinukay, MD. Genesis Ipak, MD. Riza May Ibera, RSW. Riverside Medical Center Incorporated, Negros Occidental. Crystal Puentevilla, MD. Dana Kija Bermudez, MD. Mitzi Pearl Sabay, RSW. Gandara District Hospital, Samar. Lucia Moncada, MD. Jessamine Elona, MD. Paulo Patron, RSW. San Lorenzo Ruiz General Hospital, Malabon City. Michelle Espedido, MD. Erica Tuazon, MD. Janil Espiritu, RSW. Tapul Municipal Hospital, Sulu. Abraham Daud Jr., MD. Carmina Murali, RSW.